Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by prepping so the chrome grips. File and gently buff the nail surface, then wipe with alcohol to remove oils. Apply one thin black polish or gel base. If you use gel, cure according to product instructions. Once done, apply a no-wipe or slightly tacky top layer. This creates the ideal sticky surface for pigment transfer. Make sure layers are thin to avoid lifting later. With the tacky layer ready, set up your eyeshadow powder and a soft applicator so you can press, not rub. You'll now build the chrome effect step by step. Dip a dense sponge or silicone applicator into the pressed eyeshadow, pick up moderate pigment, then pat firmly onto the tacky surface. Pressing transfers pigment, which creates the mirror look. Once pigment covers the nail, buff gently in small circular motions to smooth and intensify the shine. If the color looks patchy, apply another light layer. Multiple thin passes give a smoother, more reflective finish than one heavy coat. Make sure each layer is pressed, not scraped, to avoid streaks. You finish by sealing the chrome so it lasts. Apply one thin no-wipe top coat evenly, avoid flooding cuticles, and cure fully if using gel. Once cured, clean edges with a small brush and alcohol for a crisp finish. If the chrome looks dull after sealing, don't panic. Lightly buff the surface to remove surface haze, reapply pigment with the same pressing technique, then reseal. If pigment flakes or chips, ensure thinner layers and full curing next time. Proper curing and thin coats prevent lifting and extend wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.